Well, hello gun enthusiasts. Well, today we're gonna try a Glock 23 40 caliber and a 1911 45 caliber, of course. Well, you know what I mean. Um, the gun has been safety checked. I am actually using this gun right here. It's empty mag. There's nothing in it. See, TLR HL. Feels pretty good actually with it. I always use the lever. So let's give it a try, okay? We're gonna use the Syntec. Uh, this bullet pretty much don't have a ton of recoil. That's why I really like them. So if you want to try them, I really suggest you do. It's pretty awesome bullets. So let's get going. I already shot a few. It's kind of hard with the I already shot a few. It's kind of hard looking through the cell phone. Here we go. Not bad, just shooting with one hand. You see? I really love this gun. I'm not a Glock fan, but I really like it. It's pretty cool. Good. Of course, with two hands, you don't have so much recoil. But with one hand, remember, if you're gonna defend yourself, you're be pretty sure you're gonna use your other hand for something else. You know? Okay, so now we're going to do a few shots with the 45 with the 1911, which I have right here. It's this beauty right here. I haven't tried it with the compensator yet, so this is my first time with the compensator, you know. It's really hard aiming through the I'm aiming through the cell phone camera, so that's what you got. Wow. Oh man, you gotta criticize me, man. But from a Glock to this baby right here, it's like going from a Corolla to a Ferrari, I would say. Well, I don't know. It's not bad. I promise I'll get a better camera. I'm just using my cell phone. My buddies are not. My buddies are working, so next time I think I'll bring someone to help me out. Very nice grouping there. Just one-handed. Let me see if I can. Well, shooting this thing fast feels pretty good. It's not that bad actually. Well, it's another round. Safety off. Yeah, this is really hard, but it's not bad. Well, I'm gonna use my both of my hands now. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys. So now I've added the laser flashlight thing attachment. And I have a big problem with this. I'm gonna show you. So I know you can barely see it. Oh, you can't see it. Well, there it is. The problem with the laser is that, and I really don't understand this. Maybe you guys can, but when you look at the sights, the laser, you can't see it. I'll try to explain this better. But when you look at the sights, who is right? The sights or the laser? Because the laser is in one place and the sights are way off in another place. So I really don't understand it. Right now I'm pointing forward, but you can see it. It's not gonna work. So this is gonna be a very honest review. There's the laser, but anyways, when you point the sights, the laser is way off to the right. So a lot of people say, "Oh, you gotta adjust the laser. Oh, you gotta this and you gotta do that." But a laser is just a straight line, you know. So who's right, the laser or the sights? Can someone help me out? I don't know. So there you have it, guys, boys and girls, of course. Um, this is it. I had fun today. Oh man, I have a few more guns to try out and make more videos. So just leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys, and stay safe.